Okay, so now finding the area of the composite, wow, I cannot speak, the figure. So we need to find the area of it. And if you look at the top, that is a parallelogram. You know it's a parallelogram because if you look at it, it's labeled. It's got those parallel sides labeled. If you remember back to Math 1 and 2, you did a lot with parallelograms in the geometric sense, I guess. And then on the bottom, it's a rectangle. So we're going to separate them out and then add them together. So the parallelogram, I'm just going to call it the para. The area of that is found by base times height. Wow, I wrote height times base. Base times height. So in this case, you don't have the base labeled. However, we do have it labeled in the rectangle, so we can say that we know that this is 23.1 centimeters. So the height is 10.2 centimeters, and we're going to multiply that by 23.1. And from that, we get 235.62 centimeters squared for the parallelogram. And now for the rectangle, it's base times height, or length times width is how the book labels it. You guys know it either way. 23.1 times 11.7, and that gives us 270.27 centimeters squared. Now that we have those two pieces, we're going to add them together. 235.62 and 270.27 is 505.89 centimeters squared, or square centimeters. All right, that's the last example for this. Numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 on page 2, which is the second half of your homework, is all going to connect back to this, and that's it.